afternoon. Welcome from the Polynesian.
Welcome to the Polynesian.
So she's not done.
Polynesian.
That was beautiful.
Done now.
So we are here for our, we're actually going to eat dinner here. We're out back of Trader Sam's.
Because inside Trader Sam's is always busy now.
Yeah, it's 4 o'clock.
You can never get in there anymore.
It's 4 o'clock and it's a 30-minute wait already.
No, she said 45.
45? 45-minute wait. So we're right out back and we're actually going to eat a couple of snacks. We have a couple of drinks. What do you have?
I got the spicy pineapple and somebody ordered me a floater in there, huh?
Wasn't me? Maybe it was me. I don't know. And I got the shrunken zombie head. They ran out of all the cups here, unfortunately. But we'll catch in soon because we've got some food coming. And then we're heading to the Hollywood Studios for a couple of fast passes and a couple of rides. Look forward to all of it.
Looking forward to eating.
I'm hungry.
So we had a lovely afternoon. We hung out at the pool. We split a wrap at the Oasis Bar, which was really good. We didn't film any of that because we were just really relaxing.
It's delicious.
Then we took a little cat nap.
Yeah, we fell asleep for like 45 minutes.
Yeah, it was needed.
Nah, half an hour.
Yeah, but it was needed, so.
All right. Food should be here soon.
So, it was 2 seconds for you from our last check-in. It was actually 2 seconds for us.
No, it was like 2 minutes. No, a minute.
I think maybe 30 seconds.
It was quick.
Our food came out right after we sent in our last video. So, we have the Hawaiian poke bowl, right?
This was called a poke bowl, yes.
We have the tacos. And I got the, well, we're going to split all this. I got the pork dumplings.
Everything looks delicious.
Yeah.
So let's just
we'll dig in and we'll give it up to you.
We'll dig in, yeah, exactly. All right, so we've all now tried everything a little bit. What's your favorite so far? So we had the pot stickers. They were delicious.
I don't know if I can pick.
The ahi tuna.
Everything is so good. But I think these tacos are like...
The tacos are the best, in my opinion.
So good.
And that's not a knock on either of those two things, but the tacos are absolutely amazing.
Everything's so good. Definitely a great spot to like grab a quick
bite. And these are like all like appetizers. But I think it's plenty. Like we're splitting 3 appetizers. I think it'll be plenty for us.
I'm gonna be so full.
I think the tacos are definitely the go-to.
Oh,
they were.
I could have the 3 tacos
amazing.
like a meal.
They were amazing.
And they're
yeah,
yummy.
100%. The pot stickers will probably be my second and my third, and that's not saying these aren't bad because these are delicious. The tuna, it was hard. This is a delicious meal. Definitely highly recommended.
Love it.
And it's a beautiful like little waterfall out here. They also have great drinks, so highly recommend. No.
We just get like a tiny.
Look how fun like all the things are though. Look at all of them.
So cute. Some of them are naked.
Yeah, not all of them are themed, I think. That's so cool. I don't see why they don't just open. Oh, look. Aloha. We are here at the Hollywood Studios. There's a lot of construction over here. Yeah. But the construction, not all of the construction in the front, but the the tram runoff was done, which is cool. It looks good.
Really good.
It looks very good.
Yeah.
They redid their whole like baggage area. Did you see that? It's like a permanent baggage area.
It's nice.
All right, so we're here. And we are ready to party.
Yes, first up we have Toy Story Mania.
Toy Story Midway Mania. What time is that fast pass at?
I think it starts at 5.
It's 5:30 right now.
All right, we better get over there and start winning some points.
I'm gonna win all the points.
Maybe you will, maybe I will.
You're not a point winner though.
I could be.
You're gonna try.
Guess you'll never know until you know. All these stores are closed, right?
Holy crap. Oh my god, the entire side here is closed. That's insane.
That is insane.
Probably getting ready for Star Wars Land. That's crazy. Everything is closed on this side. Alright, Brett. So we're here in Toy Story Land. And we see Bo Peep and
And she's
Woody.
with her man finally.
Yeah, finally. She was with Jessie before.
Or he was with Jessie.
Or he was with Jessie, yes, thank you. Oh, she's so cute. Look at her over there. Here it comes. Look at that. That's awesome. Excited?
Very excited.
I can't wait to go on it.
I know. We'll go try to get on that before we leave tonight.
Alright. But for right now, I'm going to beat your bottom.
Nah.
I
Definitely gonna kick
so.
butt.
We'll try. Shooting, tooting, ready to scoot in. I'm going to win. Wow, that's the worst I've done in a long time.
Best I've done in a long time.
Wow, that was bad. So I did a stinky job. I did a stinky job on the game. So we're gonna start.
Woody
always saves the day. You hear that? He always saves the day. Caught one-eyed Bart.
Oh, look at the little picture.
Yes.
Wow.
This is new. Whoa. New little store in here. Rex. Oh. Look at this, Brett. Rex.
Were you scared? Tell me honestly. Oh, great.
That's how you do it.
Oh,
I love this.
That is cool. Toys back in here. The little mugs, babe.
That's cute.
It's a big mug too.
Oh my god, you literally eat your cereal out of those things.
How much is this?
$22.99. That's not bad. That can fit a lot of coffee.
Yeah,
It's
I like
cute.
that. Jammies. Bo Peep. I think Bo Peep is a bigger part of this next one.
I think she is.
I like it. It's like a little pop-up store.
1, cleared for takeoff. Contact departure on frequency 429er.
Wait! R2-D2, I am not programmed to fly these things. Now just turn us around this instant before we get into trouble. I knew it!
Stop right there.
Don't shoot!
I know you have a spy on board.
Oh
I'm
no.
afraid there's been a terrible mistake.
They're a spy and a traitor to the First Order.
Oh my god. I knew it.
Well done. Now
Look at all those ships. We're screwed.
We'll be safe here on Batu.
This is what it's gonna be.
Yes, Artu. I believe this adventure is just beginning. What are you looking at? Go away!
Rebel spy right here. No, she's not. She's the real rebel. Oh, look at this. It's all updated. Last time we were here, it was still being constructed.
Looks good.
Yeah, it does. Anyway, I love the last scene where you see,
What's to come?
yeah, for
Platoon.
Star Wars and Platoon. That's
Batu.
Platoon?
Batu.
Platoon.
Goes over.
Platoon.
Goes over.
Wow, this.
I see your
Just gonna get you guys over here. You're just married and you already want to slice her with the white
Can you wait for us here, sir?
Of course.
Wait for us here. We'll come back.
All right, fine. If you want a pin trade, fine. That's boring. There you go.
Thank you.
I have to check. I took a picture of all our pins at home.
Nothing you need there, I don't think, Brett. Dancing in the rain, just dancing in the rain. Yeah, give me that hand move. Oh yeah. What? What? Brett. It smells like wet dog. Oh, Slick is wet. Oh, he's got a spring in his step. You think we're gonna get wet? I'm going hat off. Here we go. Oh, here it comes. Hang on! It's not raining that bad, actually.
First my eyeballs though.
Here we go.
Here we go! Woo! There, holy God! Woo! There it is.
Oh my God.
Woo! 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 Yeah! Run, Slicky, run!
Dash! Dash!
You got a friend in me.
I wouldn't do.
Oh no. Sing it. You got a friend in me. You look good. I would actually even say you look great.
You're married to
Some other folks might be a little
You're
bit
smarter than I am.
Let's do it. Let's rock and let's roll and let's coaster.
Let's coaster. How do you coaster?
Like that.
That's nice. The good old Hollywood Hotel. Thankfully, we're not staying there tonight because that place is a piece of. That's a nicer way to put it. Oh, look at this sweet ride. Look at that, yeah. I don't think there's really much back here. I think you can meet like Lightning McCruise inside, whatever his name is, Lightning McQueen inside somewhere.
guys still doing here? You're supposed to be at a show now.
I'd like to introduce our lovely manager.
She's usually not like this.
Yeah, she's usually worse.
I heard that. Where is my limo?
That's a nice
Good.
limo.
Okay, come on, guys. Please, get in the car.
Where are they going?
Sorry, folks. We gotta go.
Can everybody say "aw" for me?
Oh.
That was so sad.
Hey, wait a minute. We can't leave these people here like
I
this.
want to give them the tour.
We can't.
No. Come on, you know how we feel about our fans.
Well, guys, what do you expect me to do? Send them all with you?
Yeah. How about some backstage passes?
I like this guy.
Wait a minute.
I know. I
love
like
that idea. How about some backstage passes?
Steven Tyler Hurd!
Yeah! Make it happen. Give us some.
I got it.
Come on, make it happen. Now get out of here. I hate all of you.
Yes.
Bye, Sam.
Brett, that guy in there was so funny.
God, he was so funny.
He goes, this doesn't happen every 3 minutes. Congrats on those backstage passes. You bet your bottom.
Right here on LA's Classic Rock Station.
You ready?
Hey, rock and ready to roll back.
What if we rock or roll and don't do both of them? Okay, I'm gonna rock and roll. Uh-oh, here we go. We're going back. Hi guys. Backstage, baby. This is the red carpet. Look at that.
Look at that, rolling out just for us.
Welcome back.
You pumped?
Sit to your right and walk this way.
Oh yeah, here we go. Here we go. Red carpet time.
Gotta get a good look at it.
Woo! I feel like a star.
So I brushed my hair. I want good pictures of myself on the red carpet.
For the paparazzi.
I love you.
Hubs, wifey. So we're waiting for our fast pass, so we're gonna stop in here at the Baseline Tap House. Grab a drink. Pretty empty in here. Surprised with how rainy it is.
Surprised as well. I'm gonna grab a seat.
What you got?
I got the California Sunset from Baseline, which I've had before. It's so good. It tastes like, I think I said this last time, it tastes like it's a kadoozy. Like
I don't know what that
big
is.
Popsicles that were like rainbow and twisty.
Yummy. And then we got the big pretzel, and I got a beer. So we're gonna dig in.
Dig right in.
Pretzel's delicious. Actually, let me know first, real quick. Pretzel as good as it was before?
Not gonna like it.
So I'm assuming yes. I'm gonna have to. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Such a great wife.
It's good. It's really good.
Something is about to happen that will change all that.
I remember that night.
Waiting for you. We invite you, if you dare, to step aboard, because in tonight's episode, you are the star. And this elevator travels directly to the Twilight Zone. Your very own version of the Twilight Zone.
It's raining, it's pouring. What? I know. Wow. 7 years of airlock. Here we go. All right, so we
rock and roller coaster.
You mean Tower of Terror?
Tower of Just got off Tower of Terror. I'm spooked right now. We have thunder or anything like that.
We're either going back to the Polynesian or we're going to the Magic Kingdom because that's open to 11. Either way, we'll be catch up soon.
Yeah. I'll let you know. So we left Hollywood Studios. We were trying to make it to, the Polynesian in time to watch some of the fireworks over at Magic Kingdom. And we realized once we get on this road, we can watch them as we drive. So we're not missing anything. We're not missing a beat.
We're missing a little bit.
We're missing the stuff at the castle, but look, we can see some of the fireworks. This is great. I love driving with fireworks. Should we drive and watch fireworks all the time?
I know, make a much better commute.
Much better. Look. Oh, that would look cool. Like,
I love the da 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 da.
Are we watching this tomorrow night? In the park?
Alright, we made it. Probably get here just in time for the finale. Okay, so we just watched the fireworks. That was a little while ago. That was about an hour and a half ago. And then we went into the hot tub, went into the pool for a little bit, sat on the beach, kind of relaxed a bit. But I think this is it for the night. So we will see you tomorrow. We have breakfast at Kona Cafe, and then we're going to the Animal Kingdom in the morning. Have a good night.
Good night. See you tomorrow.